Hi everyone, good day. Welcome back to our next video on Introduction to C Programming. In this video, let us walk through the history of C. C language was developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 at AT&T Bell Laboratory. It is a high-level programming language which needs a compiler to convert this high-level source code which is in C programming language to the machine code which is zeros and ones. Let us see what is the history of C and how it evolved. The name C evolved from earlier languages such as Basic Combined Programming Language BCPL and B. BCPL was developed by Martin Richards for writing system software like operating system and compilers in 1967. Again in 1970, Ken Thompson developed a strict version of BCPL and named it B. Both BCPL and B did not have any data type, they were typeless. In 1972, Dennis Ritchie developed the programming language by retaining the important features of BCPL and B and adding data types and other powerful features. Initially, the C language was designed as a system implementation language to develop system software for Unix operating system. But later, it spread over many other platforms and used in creating other applications, and hence it is known as general purpose language. The language became more popular after publication of the book The C Programming Language by Brian Kernighan and Dennis Ritchie in 1978. So it came to be known as KNRC. Rapid growth of C led to the development of different versions of the language that were similar but often incompatible. To ensure that C language remains standard, in 1983, ANSI, that is American National Standards Institute, appointed a technical committee to define a standard for C. And the committee approved a version of C known as ANSI C in 1989. Later in 1990, it was approved by ISO, the International Organization for Standardization. Let us now see what are the important features of C. So the first point is it is the general purpose programming language. Why we call it so? Because it is well suited for writing system software as well as application software. The next important feature of C is it is highly portable. It can be run on different operating systems of different computers with little or no alteration. The next feature is it is robust. It is a robust language, which means it has a rich set of built-in functions and operators and can be used to write any complex program. The next important feature of C is that it can extend itself, which means that we can add our own user-defined functions to the existing library functions. The next feature is that they are efficient and fast. This is because they have a variety of data types and powerful operators. The final and the most important feature of C is that dynamic memory allocation. That is, a program can request the OS to allocate or release memory at runtime. In this video, we discussed about the history of C, the evolution of C, the standards of C, and what are the important features of C. I hope it was useful. We will meet in the next video with the C fundamental concepts, where we'll be discussing about tokens, keywords, character set. Thank you.